What is going on, everybody? This is Matt, the old Florida boy, coming to you on Football Sunday. You know, I was walking through the store a little while ago and something caught my eye, and I thought, man, this is awesome. I haven't had these for a long time. So today I'm going to show you one of the most overlooked and forgotten backpacking, trail, survival, camping, whatever food is great, easy to make, and I guarantee you forgot about it too. What is it? Well, it is the venerable old SpaghettiOs. And today, I also found them in SpaghettiOs with meatballs. This is such a blast from my past. And after I eat these, it could probably be another blast in a little while. But SpaghettiOs, what I'm going to do is we're going to cook up some SpaghettiOs with meatballs, because I got these in the discount bargain bin 2 for 1, and I figured, hey, I'll get SpaghettiOs and SpaghettiOs with meatballs. We're going to cook the ones with meatballs up, because this is basically just the regular old SpaghettiOs plus meatballs. So let's go cook these up and let's taste test these. Okay, here we go. Around on the table, we got our trusty stove, we got Old Faithful canteen cup, we got our wonderful Dollar Tree spoon, and we got our menu for the day. SpaghettiOs with meatballs. Not too bad. You know, everybody ate these as a kid, and I kind of forgot about them. You know, I haven't seen them in the store for so long that I ran by the discount bargain bin 2 for 1, and I got like 2 for $1 or something like that. Not bad. Calories, you know, 230. They're not too bad. It's basically just, you know, kind of canned spaghetti, I guess. The sodium content isn't too bad, but here's some pretty good nutritional information on here. And the best thing about it is it's got the flip top on it, so you don't have to carry around the can opener, the P38 can opener. So let's crack this sucker open and get this going. All right, let's see if we can not cut ourselves. Ooh, okay, yeah. Ooh, we got meatballs on the top. Ooh, and some nice sauce. Okay, it doesn't taste that bad, and you could probably eat this right from the can if you had to, if you're in a situation where you couldn't make a fire or anything. But we're gonna do it the good old-fashioned way. Man, there's a lot in there. It's pretty jammed in there. All right, get in there. Okay, man, there's a lot in this can. I don't know. There's a lot in this can. It's still coming out of there. All right, man. This is all right. We got half of the canteen cup full. Man, we still got a little bit more in there. Holy mackerel! All right, so I'm gonna get these out of the can. All right, there we go. Now I'm gonna get the stove fired up, and we're gonna heat these suckers up. All right, we're gonna turn this way down. All right, because we don't want to burn our wonderful lunch. All right, now we're gonna get this on the fire. Stir up those, because all the meatballs are at the top of the can. And I'll show you. If you know how big these Dollar Tree spoons and forks are, they're not too big, so that's the size of the meatball. This is maybe not even a half an inch across. This is a real small thing. So I'm gonna heat these up, and then we're gonna come back. Ooh, and we're starting to cook up nicely here. All right, starting to get a little watery from the sauce. You know, if you had some flour or some cornstarch or something, you could probably thicken it up. Those are getting nice and hot. Cook these for another minute or so, and then we're gonna eat them. Okay, these are nice and hot now. We got the canteen cup. All right, let's take a look at these babies. All right. Makes about a half a canteen cup full for one can, and this is a 15.8 ounce can. So these don't look too bad. I mean, I haven't eaten these in literally years. So, all right, I'm going in. We get some SpaghettiOs. We'll get some meatball. All right, so that's not bad. I mean, it's not terrible. It's really easy to cook. You know, you got to be careful to heat these up on low heat, because you know the sauce is not really a thick sauce at all. It's not a high quality sauce, so you could burn it on the bottom of your cup or your cookware really easy. Let's taste just a meatball. All right. You know, it's got that kind of weird processed meat taste. If that's even beef or meat at all, I'd be surprised. You know, but this is not bad. You know, for a can, this thing's literally indestructible. I really like it because it has the pop top on it. I mean, you could throw this sucker right in your backpack or right in your survival bag. You know, great for hurricane survival food. These things would probably survive a nuclear holocaust, if you want to know the truth. You know, this is a real blast from my past. After I eat these, it's probably going to be another kind of blast in a while. But it's kind of the whole thing itself. You know, it's kind of bland. But we're going to kick it up a notch. What would it be without some good old Louisiana hot sauce? So we're going to put just a drop in here. Just a drop. Now let's see what we got. Woo-hoo-hoo. Ooh, that's what I'm talking about. Some good old Louisiana hot sauce. Oh, in there some Cristal. Oh man, that is so much better. So here you go. Don't forget about handy dandy old SpaghettiOs. You know, the old Campbell's or Chef Boyardee makes a lot of this stuff. The mini raviolis are a good choice too, for backpacking food. Basically anything that's all sealed and it's got this pop top, so you don't have to screw with a can opener in the woods. These are really, really nice fast meals for bushcrafting and hiking and general survival. So if you see them in the store like I did in the discount bargain bin, like 2 for 1, I think I got 2 of these for $1.39 or something. So they're like, what, 65 cents each, like 68 cents each. You know, that's great. You know, you could really load up on them. But here we go. Just another test of probably the most overlooked and forgotten survival bushcrafting food ever. SpaghettiOs and SpaghettiOs with meat sauce. So, coming to you from sunny Central Florida, this is Matthew, old Florida boy, and I will see you on the trail.